So I think we're all caught in this rut of society. What if we all wore wings right now and realized that we are single butterflies? Each of us had colorful wings, all of us here. And each of us had an identity different from the other. What then? Look at that garden where all these butterflies are flying. How would it look? Beautiful? Right? That's the world we need to create. Beautiful. Beauty doesn't come with a perfect example or a definition. It comes with a dynamic experience. Differences are beautiful, but fairness is important. If every individual can actually go down to the bottom of their own reality and has the ability to realize the importance of life, doesn't matter if it's a girl in the slum, doesn't matter if it's a lady privileged, workforce, in a good job, in a good position. It doesn't matter if it's a housewife, it doesn't matter if it's a girl going to school. We all are individuals. What is really important is if all of us are ourselves, all of us are connected to who we are, then that beauty of togetherness can bring a collective journey of goodness. I do believe that no other person can be somebody else. We all have to be who we are, and we all have to believe in what we believe in. And if you're true to yourself in that journey, then you will do everything you are destined to do. You will know what your purpose is, you will know what you're here for, and you will make the difference.